Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. Today's video is very important because I am going to talk about Panama Canal. अब चलिए आइए, without wasting any time, let's just start. Panama Canal is one of the most important engineering achievements in modern history. Apart from Suez Canal, this Panama Canal holds a very important place in maritime history, in maritime industry, I would say. So भैया ये है, this is your North America, this is your South America. And there is a small country situated over here called Panama. Just till few years back, United States was holding the whole rights for Panama, but there was a large hue and cry, and Panama just recently got independent. ये जो country है Panama, it had no such resources, but what made them rich or what made their country grow was a canal situated over here called Panama Canal. Any ship which is going through this Panama Canal, it gives them money, and through this money, they run their country. Now, so why was Panama Canal required? Let us just start this thing this way. See, suppose this is New York and this is San Francisco. If by ship you had to send something from New York to San Francisco, earlier before Panama Canal was made, the route was going from over here, like this over here. It used to take around 12,000 miles, nautical miles. After the Panama Canal was built, 4,000 nautical miles. 8,000 nautical miles of distance was saved. Time is money, guys. Time is money. It becomes fast. यहाँ पर कहीं India over here. So India has to send to San Francisco. I'll show you later in the world. It will go from here to the Panama Canal to San Francisco over here. So basically, Panama Canal is connecting Atlantic Ocean over here and Pacific Ocean over here. A small country. This is called Panama City over here. Can you see? Chalo, let's move ahead. Now, Panama Canal has reduced the sailing distance by about approximately 8,000 nautical miles. So, if a ship is moving by a speed of say 15 knots, which is a very good speed, still, if they are going from over here to over here, or they are going from over here to over here, 22 days of travel is saved. 22 days plus the amount of fuel that is burnt, huge difference. And that is why this Panama Canal plays a very important role. Like over here, say from India in Mumbai, say from Singapore, a ship has to take something and go to Rotterdam. Earlier it used to go from over here, down from over here to Rotterdam. From below the African continent, right, with around 11,940 nautical miles. And now, because of the Suez Canal over here, shortcut, जोर से बोलो, Jai Mata Di. With around 8,440 nautical miles, you are saving 3,000 nautical miles over here as well. Suez Canal, yes, we'll be talking about it later, but अभी हम बात करेंगे only Panama Canal. Let's move ahead. So guys, this is Panama Canal. It has got a lot of locks. मैं इसकी बात करूंगा बाद में. It's 82 kilometers long. सबसे ज़्यादा Panama Canal is used by US and China because most amount of import export is happening in this country. Okay. It generally takes 25 hours to complete this thing. Now let's go to the history first. France was the first country trying to build Panama Canal over here, which was in 1880. You know, this was the guy. His name was Ferdinand de Lesseps. He tried to build Panama Canal, and this was the same French company who built the Suez Canal, guys. So they were very confident. Suez Canal हमने बनाया है. We are going to make the Panama Canal as well. But जोर से बोलो जय माता दी. So what happened was he underestimated the difficulty in making the Panama Canal. Now I'll show you first why, and then we'll get to the basic level. I will come back to this place. Don't worry. So say this is your Pacific Ocean at this level. And this is your Atlantic Ocean at this level. So when we thought of connecting this over here, like अगर आप Suez Canal को देखोगे, it is flat like this. But over here, it is going like this and then coming down. So this French guy thought कि मैं पूरा मिट्टी, I'll be digging out all the mud from here and make it at same level over here. And he was trying this thing. So a lot of mud, sand had to be removed, right? So that is what he was trying, but was he successful? That is what we have to see. So he underestimated the difficulty of project and wanted to construct at same sea level. कि सारी मिट्टी निकालेंगे all. Digging through the entire land mass to construct the canal proved to be very difficult task. There were a lot of reasons involved. See, first thing, many workers died due to harsh weather conditions. Diseases spread through the tropical insects like malaria and yellow fever. उस टाइम पे yellow fever, malaria शुरू हो रखा था, and a lot of people started dying. 200 people per month were dying at that particular time. Abhi recently, I just came to know that even Indians, 5,000 Indians were involved in making the Panama Canal. Out of them, around 50% died in this yellow fever, because during that time when Panama Canal was made, India was being governed by Britishers. So Britishers sent 5,000 Indian workforce for helping the US guys to build this Panama Canal out here. So even Indians were involved out here. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. But anyways, the plan ended in a failure and the construction company declared bankruptcy after spending 58,000 crore rupees on the project. 58,000 crore during that time. आगे बढ़ते हैं. अमेरिका गिव अप नहीं करता है. यूएस डज नॉट गिव अप. सो इन 20th century यूएस थॉट कि वी हैव टू डू इट बिकॉज इट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर इकोनॉमी. सो देन दे थॉट कि अब हम बिल्ड करेंगे द पनामा कैनाल, एंड इट टुक देम 10 years excavating over 15 crore cubic meters of earth. मतलब लैंड खुदाई चल रही है. यू कैन सी digging 15 crore cubic meters of earth, and in 10 years Panama Canal was ready. But again, how Panama Canal became ready, that we have to see. So अभी यहाँ पर देखते हैं. पहले let us see over here. So what they did was Pacific Ocean over here, Atlantic Ocean over here. So they said, okay, we will dig more land over here, we'll bring it up this level. We will dig little bit land over here, we'll bring it to this level. We will dig less land over here, we'll make it to this level. Then slowly down. So now you can see pieces were created over here. Just let me show you. And these were called locks. ये एक part था. This was another part. This was another part. Another part. Another part. Another part. And then finally oceans over here. Right? So इन्होंने what they said was, they said we'll make locks. A technology which was never used before. So इन्होंने बोला, so what we'll do is, these are locks. These are gates. Lock gates. Gate खोलो. So if a ship is coming over here, see a ship is over here. This, they open the gate. Ship goes in. This water and this level becomes equal, ship goes in. Once the ship reaches this level, they close the gate. Once they close the gate, then they start filling in water over here. The ship level rises, ship reaches this level. Once ship reaches this level, they open this gate over here. Then ship enters over here, ship reaches over here. Then they say, okay, close this gate. Then they close this gate. Copied. So now this gate is closed, ship is over here. They say, भाई इसके अंदर पानी भरो. So they fill water over here. Ship reaches this level. यहाँ पहुंच गया ship. Then they open this gate. बोलते हैं open this gate. This gate opens. Then the ship enters over here. This is your Gatun Lake. This is, at that time it was the biggest artificial man-made lake. तो इस lake के अंदर आते हैं. अब ये gate बंद कर दिया. So now in this lake, this ship is traveling over here. Then again it reaches into this lock. They close this gate, open this gate. Ship comes down. Reaches this level, ship enters over here, close this gate, again open this gate, ship goes down, open this gate, ship comes over here, open this gate, close this, first close this gate, open this gate, down, ship over here. So that is how, gate खोला, ship अंदर, they have to rise the ship, fill water, raise the ship level, open the another gate, close the behind gate, ship आगे, पीछे का gate बंद कर दिया. So it is like going ahead, closing the gate behind, and then opening another gate. So this was the best technology involved that time. So यहाँ पर एक river थी. This river at that time, this river was called. So this river, so this was the Gatun Lake which I showed you. This was made on a Chagres river. तो एक Chagres river थी जो flow करती थी. उसके ऊपर उन्होंने पूरा एक lake बना दिया. They made a man-made lake over there by creating a dam. Okay. So ये आपने समझ लिया. So this is the lock gate. Can you see this lock gate over here? So these gates open like this, and then ship goes ahead. Open. So Panama Canal opened to traffic on August 15, 1914. So भाई जब Panama Canal पहले बना था, so even because, such is the importance of Panama Canal, the ships were made particularly of a size of a Panama Canal, and they were called Panamax. So earlier Panama Canal was not that wide, so the Panamax size was around 4800 TEUs. So if there is a container ship, It had to be around 965 feet long, maximum 106 feet beam, and minimum depth 39.5 feet. So earlier it was TEUs, means कि if a ship of this size can carry 20-foot long containers, how many? 4800. But now overall they could see that only certain level of ships, certain size of ships could enter through the Panama Canal. Then they started working on making the Panama Canal bigger. Now the Panama Canal has become bigger, so now the size has become just approximately more than double, 2.5 times. So around a ship of carrying 12,000 TEUs of containers can enter into the Panama Canal. Size has increased from 965 feet to 1200 feet. The width has increased from 106 feet to 160 feet, and minimum depth has increased to 50 feet. So depth भी बढ़ा दी है. They have excavated more land. They have widened the Panama Canal as well. So now bigger ships can enter. Let me see. So Panamax. So I told you guys कि specifically a size was set. Say if a ship owner is there, he said, "Yeah, my ship is go through the Panama Canal. So okay, you make the size of a ship which can enter the Panama Canal. Make of Panamax size. That is called Panamax. Copied? So this is Panama Canal, guys. You can see this is the size, this is the ship width, and you can see there is hardly any gap over here, hardly any gap. And these are the crane. You can see these trolleys over here. ये wire लगी हुई है. Can you see this wire over here? So these are you can say trains. आप train channel कह सकते हैं. So these are on the train railings होती है, railings उसके ऊपर train channels कह सकते हैं, carriage कह सकते हैं. And these are the wires. ये सब wire से बंधे हुए हैं. So they are making sure that the ship does not go इधर उधर. It is going together. So over here also, over here also, over here also you can see. So they are taking this, and these are the gates. Can you see? तो अब ये gate खुलेगा and the ship will go through. People are standing over here seeing कि everything is okay or not. Not just over here, behind. Captain will be standing over here. Captain might be standing over here. Even a pilot will be there. So it is not an easy thing. Engineers are working down below कि भाई इंजन सारा टाइम सही रहने चाहिए. Chief engineer all the time on his toes कि भैया engine should not break down, everything should work fine, there should be no problem. That is the importance. Okay guys, आगे. Oh, now you can see how much is the clearance over here. थोड़ा सा भी इधर banging हुई ships can get damaged, rise, and even you can cause damage to the canal port as well. So you have to be very, very careful. Canal charges around $90 for each 20-foot container, which means that most ships must pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for each passage. ये जितना revenue आता है from container ships, even from oil tankers, bulk carriers, that is increasing the GDP of Panama City, that is the country out there. Tolls for the largest cargo ships can run up to $450,000. So वो 25 घंटे के लिए around you are paying for one day voyage, you are paying $450,000. But why do ship owners do that? Because they save a lot of time and they save a lot of money on fuel. Not just money on fuel, but also you are giving salary to the people working on board ship for the same cargo to go from New York to San Francisco, right? So salary बच रही है, fuel बच रहा है, lube oils बच रहे हैं, time कम लग रहा है, you can do 3 trips. That is why people pay, and that is what is business all about. Copy it, guys? So that is what I've talked about. Ki ship owners, in spite of paying so much money, still they save money. That is how they make profit. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends so that they can get the knowledge as well. And also subscribe the YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.